Laura here, answering your online questions, which I love to get, especially this one. It's about oysters, which I actually learned to love. And one of the ways I did this was with a fabulous topping. It's a fresh cranberry mignonette. It's simple and easy to do, and it will help you evolve in loving oysters. And once you start loving oysters, you'll want them all the time. This recipe is easy. Here we go. You take fresh chopped cranberries, 1 tablespoon. Then you take a teaspoon of minced shallots and 1/3 cup of champagne vinegar. I'm gonna add a nice pinch of sugar, mix that together and let it sit for a minute. Then you're gonna place that in the middle of a platter of beautiful fresh oysters. You'll take this beautiful accompaniment and add a spoonful to each oyster and enjoy.